good morning. This is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Today, my topic of discussion is going to be basically what potential energy and what kinetic energy are the concept in physics. I'm not going to go into details, but I'm just going to touch base on it and introduce you. But I promise you that in upcoming lessons, I will bisect all of these energies, force, motion, and so forth. But today, let's say you have, you're up high on a mountain, right? Let's say this is a mountain, all right? And I don't know, maybe this is 7,000 feet high, okay? Somehow you manage to get onto top of the mountain and you've got a big ball, like, I don't know, maybe a basketball, and what you do is that you toss that basketball to come down, right? You toss that basketball to come down. So at the top, when you went up on the top, what you did was that you gained potential energy, okay? So you have the maximum potential energy at the top. Okay, so right here you have the maximum potential energy. So what happens is that you drop the ball from the top of the hill, it comes down right here, it hits right here, and then it loses potential energy, all right, and then it gains kinetic energy right here, kinetic energy. Okay, and then if the ball has enough momentum, momentum to roll further, it will go up and it will gain potential energy right here, potential energy, but it's not going to be as high as the potential energy was here, all right? So then when it gets to top of this small hill, it comes down right here, loses all the potential energy and gains kinetic energy. So then again you have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, okay? So basically, if you have to define what is energy in physics in this particular case, I would say energy is potential energy plus kinetic energy, okay? When you're going up the hill, your potential energy is increasing, all right? When you're going down the hill, your potential energy is decreasing, okay? When you're up the hill, there is barely any kinetic energy, right? But when you are down on the ground, you have high kinetic energy and you have low potential energy. We put this down, low potential energy, high kinetic energy. Same thing, high potential energy, low kinetic energy. So this is basically key, which explains everything. Energy is addition of potential energy and addition of kinetic energy. You know, one thing they say about energy is that energy, this is in physics, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. However, it can be transformed from one state to another. Let me say that again. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. However, it can transform from one state of energy to another state. And there are tons and tons of examples. Gasoline, you burn the gasoline, okay? And then your car moves, that's kinetic energy. So you're basically changing the state of energy by burning into kinetic energy. And then, list goes on and on and on. But that's all I wanted to touch base on this. On my next topic, we're going to get into Newton's laws of motion and much more. Thank you so much for joining.